Hello everyone, hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix Clipchamp not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, first of all try to open Clipchamp application. Then click on this three-dot icon. Then click on App Info. Now click on Cookies and Site Data. Click on Manage On-Device Site Data and delete site data by clicking on this Delete button. Then click on Done. Here click on Reload and wait for the process to complete. After that, simply sign in with your Microsoft account. Now you will be able to use the Clipchamp video editor. However, if you are still not able to open Clipchamp, then you can simply reinstall Clipchamp application. For that, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, and now here click on Apps option. Click on Manage Your Apps option, and here look for Clipchamp. Or else you can simply use the search option. So here we have the Clipchamp application. Simply select it. Then click on Install. Now click on Also Delete Browsing Data option. Then click on Install. And wait for the process to complete. Now to reinstall it, simply open Chrome browser and visit app.clipchamp.com. And here on the address bar, you will find Install button. Simply click on it. Then click on Install. Now to use it, simply sign in with your Microsoft account. So that's it. This is how you can fix Clipchamp not working on Chromebook. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.